About any problem, any sound problem, any screen? Do you see the screen? Okay. So aduna akoina ngasi tawdoi. So today we will do about the topic direction sense. Yabra akoina ngasi tawdoi direction sense ni. I don't know why direction sense haibasine. Kaigino akoina direction sense tamidi. Kaigino hamatunda to able to make right decision at the right time. To follow your right path. To able to follow your right path. To able to make right decision at the right time. Yeah, that's why we are learning direction sense. Next, in direction sense, we have four main direction. That is east, west, north, south. Okay, so these are the four main direction we have. Next, cardinal direction. What is this? We have east, we have west, we have north, and we have south. Right. So this direction, that means northeast, southeast, northwest, and southwest. So this direction, northwest, northeast, southeast, southwest, are called cardinal direction. Northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest, these are called cardinal direction. Next, we have concept of movement. Movement say clockwise have a clockwise have a anti-clockwise have a in clockwise, how will you move? Like this, and like this, and like this. In anti-clockwise, you will move like this, sumina, and then sumina. In clockwise like this, in anti-clockwise like this. Next, concept of movement in degrees. Sidasu akoina clockwise movement legani. Clockwise movement. Yabra. And clockwise tadi kamay tawni ngakanda sumaina we will divide the angles. We will divide the angles like this. Okay. So this is 0 degree and it will move like this and it becomes 45 and it will move like this, it becomes 90 degree. If it moves like this, it becomes 90 plus 45 is 135. 135 plus 45, 180. 180 plus 45, 225. 225 plus 45, 270. 270 plus 45, 315. 315 plus 45, 360. Like this in a clockwise movement. And anti-clockwise movement. Mana mana khaido aduga anti-clockwise is my like this. So 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 135 degree, 180 degree, 225 degree, 270 degree, 315 degree. So this is the concept of movement in degree. Okay, next, what are the types of questions that we'll see in the real exam? Number 1, to determine distance. Number 2, to determine direction. Number 3, to determine both direction and distance. Number 1, distance puthokpa. Number 2, direction puthokpa. Number 3, animak puthokpa. Both direction and distance. These are the 3 types of questions that you will see in your real exam. Okay, next. Then how will you find the minimum distance? By using Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, by the way, we have a right triangle like this. Here we have a 90 degree, and here we have the angle theta, and here we have the A, B, C. Opposite to 90 is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse side. Okay. Pythagoras na kay hai. Hypotenuse ki square ga lemhoriva side anidigi square gi samga manai. Hypotenuse ki square ga lemhoriva side anidigi square gi samga manai. So we will use this beautiful theorem to find minimum distance. Next, sunrise concept. Sunrise in the east, right? So here we have east. Here we have west. Here we have north. Here we have south. Sunrise in the east, right? So kita learn is sun, learn is the sun. This is take it as sun. Camera sequence is sun in Lord C. And you are here. You are here. So later. Then your shadow will be here, right? Your shadow will be in the west. Alright. Then if you face north, if you face north, if you face north, if you face north, your shadow is kali is to your left. Yeah, see, this is the sun and this is you. West. If you face north, your shadow, your shadow will be to your left. Your shadow is to your left. If you face north, your shadow will be in your left. Yeah, right. If you face south, your shadow will be in your right. If you face south, your shadow will be your shadow will be in your right. If you face south, nangje south on tardi, nangi right is not natural. Aduna, if you face south, in this condition, if you face south, naki shadow ze nangi right your shadow will be in your right. Have you got the concept? Please write in the chat box. Have you got this concept? Russia, yes. Jamie, yes. Okay, thank you. So next we will move on to the next concept. sunset concept. Okay, so sunset. Here we have east. Here we have west. Here we have north. Here we have south. In this condition, sunset condition, sun will be in the west, right? Sun will be in the west. And you will be here. And you will be here. And your shadow will be here. Am I right? So if you face south, if you face north, your shadow will be to your right. Nang north on ba nang shadow je nang right lane. If you face south, your shadow will be in your left. Have you got this concept? In this condition, in the sunset condition, if you face north, your shadow will be in your right. If you face south, your shadow I think you might have cleared this concept. Okay, so these are the concepts, main concepts that need to be cleared by you all. So then we will see the real examples. So are you ready, guys? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Thang maya pheng piro, thang maya lang trick, lang na pheng dok piro, oren thang maya kumni, thang te peong ni. Okay, here we have the first question. Please do it and tell me the answer. Dayananda D. Great. You are great. You do great things. Mallory D. Great. Russia D. Jimmy C. Oh, we got different answers. iPad D. iPad, please put your name as username. Okay, Sida yengbiro ai harage ko. Khangdaba sing sida yengbiro. Please listen to me. We have the direction like this: east, west, north, south. If A is to the south of B, let's go. Here we have the B. Okay, hang on. If A is to the south of B, is there B is south layer the Sonakanda. If A is to the south of B, have a D, B south, have a D, B Maka. C is to the east of B. C is to the east of B. C is to the east of B. In which direction is A? In which direction is A with respect to C? We have the direction like this. Like this. Okay, so this is east, and this is west, and this is north, and this is south. Okay, so adu orgadi mana hangize in which direction is A with respect to C? Is C gi karomda lebage? Is C gi karomda lebage? South west. Option D will be the right answer. Okay, next question. Please try it and tell me the answer. Sangoisana, C, you are great. You do great things. Sinke, C, Devita, C, Dayananda, C, great. You are all great. Alex Scott, C, great. Eze, Tachum, C, great. Okay, the young winner C. A lock walk 30 meters towards east. First, write down the main direction: east, west, north, south. Alok walk 30 meters towards east. Alok walk 30 meters towards east. And took a right turn. Took a right turn. Magi right suna kanda ko. Took a right turn and walked 40. And walked 40 meters. He again took a right turn and walked 50. Right, you know, magi right set. He is moving here in this direction. He is moving in this direction. Magi right and 50. 50 neva. Yabra sidina si box 50 neva. 50. 50. Then towards which direction is he from his starting point? Magi starting point is Sinatra. This is the starting point. Yabra adu orgadi mana hangizi maja sila ni ko dia. Starting point minus sigi direction the karom dono have a neighbor. Adudi kay southwest. Okay, here we have the next question. Gopiso C, Debita C, Melori C, Dayananda C. Great. You are all great. Russia C. Swamil C. Great. You are all great. Adjet Taxum C. Luxcott C. Great. You are all great people. Okay. Starting from the point P. Starting from a point P. Certain walk 20 meters. You first write down the main direction is west, north, south. Certain walk 20 meters towards south. Point P digi horaga. Certain na south lambda 20 meters at level. Certain walk 20 meters towards south. He turned left. He turned left. He turned left and walked 30 meters. He turned left and walked 30 meters. Era. He then turned left and walked 20 meters. Left at the korom dono. Sonakanda. Yeah, rather see mapaze mananiba. Kaigina manaidi because it is 20 meter. Adu di masila reko. He again turned left and walked 40 meters. Aduna 40 is 5 la mas left la have any sanakanda la have any the 40 had this 5 your animals 5 your animal because she's in a box set 30 name 40 the mas 5 correct to run and reach a point Q. This is the point Q. How far Mazakiam lap Q? And in which direction is the point Q from the point P? Adurgdi mas sidayna sibok lakmatamda kya lakiba mga say? I 40 lakima liko 40. So 40 akana pamizi sig distance never. This distance. Yeah, right. But there is like a 40 minus 30. 40 minus 30. So you got 10. Aduna QZ point Pidikrom the lay, west the lay. 10 meter west. Option C is the right answer. Okay. So the
Sir, question
number 2. Here we have the question number 2.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, the ano building amat hazard ke housing tharakani ngair ka lebiu ko.